Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We are looking at our ABC writing tablet for page 31 and 32. All right, so we are going to review our letter B. We actually did a B paper yesterday, so we're reviewing our letter B. All right, our letter B, pull down, hump, hump. Pull down with the belly. Pull down, hump, hump. Pull down with the belly. All right, our lowercase a is under the dotted line. It's a ball, push up, pull down. 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 Let's flip over on the back. Capital B. Pull down, hump, hump. Pull down with the belly. Pull down, hump, hump. Pull down with the belly. Pull down, hump, hump. Pull down with the belly. All right, our letter I's. Pull down with a dot. Pull down with a dot. Pull down with a dot. Keep going. All right, this one right here says color in the words, the bags with the B words in them that start with the B sound. Bear, banana, ball. Bear, banana, ball. So we can easily color this bag. All right, next we have a candy cane, apple, and cool clock. All right, so I don't hear any sounds. All right, next we have a bag with boat, bone, ball. Good. So I heard lots of words. I'm going to color that one. Very good, guys. Hope you have a great day.